Hey Tech Fam, GadInsider here with a must-know guide for 2025. Cybercrime's on the rise, but we've got 7 simple ways to lock down your digital life. Let's dive in. From bulletproof passwords to dodging phishing scams, these tips will keep your data safe and hackers out. Want to stay one step ahead? Keep watching. In 2025, protecting your digital life is tougher than ever, but these 7 steps make it easy. Let's roll. First, turn on automatic updates. Keep your devices secure with auto updates. They patch bugs and boost security, shielding you from threats targeting phones, laptops, even governments. Second, schedule automatic backups. Don't lose your photos or files to crashes or theft. Set your device to backup automatically to cloud service like Google Drive or iCloud for peace of mind. Use strong, unique passwords. Ditch password 123. Use complex, unique passwords for every account. Try Password Manager to keep them secure and avoid reuse across sites. Be cautious of phishing emails. Cybercrime's booming and phishing emails are everywhere. Never click links or open attachments from sketchy sources. They're traps for your data. Keep credentials private. Use spam blockers and caller ID apps to stop spam calls. Never share login details and double check who's asking for your info to avoid breaches. Think twice before sharing personal details. Posting your address or ID online? Bad idea. Once it's out forever and hackers can misuse it. Stay private on social media. Be aware when downloading apps. Stick to trusted stores like Google Play Store or Apple's App Store. Check app permissions carefully to block malware from sneaking in. Why is this critical? Cybercrime's spiking and your data's at risk. These simple steps protect your privacy, save your info, and keep hackers at bay. Whether you're a casual user or a business pro, staying secure in 2025 is non-negotiable. Ready to lock down your digital life? Drop a comment. Which tip's your go-to? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech tips.